This is your boy Bobby's RC's back with another video about RC cars and trucks. Let's get right into the video, guys. Well, I just thought I'd share this on my YouTube channel. It's a SG 1603 116 scale 4-wheel drive drift truck. I seen it a couple of times on Facebook last night, and I seen it one time this morning on Facebook. It comes with the battery, battery charger, the spare tires, instruction manual, and a small cross sleeve, whatever that is. I have no clue. It's on Banggood for $84.99. I have no clue who makes it, what company. I have no clue. And it looks like a Arrma Infraction. Well, it's not, but it looks like a clone of it. But you know what? I don't think you can get no Arrma Infraction for $84.99. But that's what it looks like to me. It's just a clone of that. I will post pictures in this video of what it looks like and stuff. Leave comments below of what you think about it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and as always, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for updates when I upload a video on YouTube, so you all can be the first to get notified to watch my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Later, everybody. Hope y'all have a good day of bashing.